Where Nikola will go? This is the main question everybody asking. We spotted Nikola breakout today in our live streaming and we discussed the $2 profit taken when the price was 17% and now is 50% in gain. Still holding the $1.53, we're gonna have a squeeze eventually. Exactly. So we said if we held the $1.50, we're gonna have the $2 at least. And the price right now testing the $1, and we entered once again around the $1.92. We're already 7% up. We already took 3 profit on Nikola trade. First, when we spotted this breakout, we took profit here. Second, we entered around this bottom, and then third here. So we have to discuss in today's video where the price will go. Are we gonna have a continuation for this price action? The short have to cover once again where the price will go. This is the main question here. Are we gonna have another game for Friday before the market close? So let's get right to it and discuss the main stock that we hunted for today. Nikola doing really all right. You know why? Because we hunted this stock so many times before, and then we waited for this huge accumulation for the price. Look with me closely. The price been accumulating here since, let me just check, since the last month, yeah. And then we broke finally today around Thursday. So we've been accumulating here for some days, and then the price finally pumped in our live streaming. I was watching closely the $1.53 because this is where we said the first cover up for the short seller. So we entered around this area. We entered a bit late, if you want to ask me, because we were watching Coinbase. We watching the other stock that are pumping because Bitcoin is pumping, and we have another play that we already hunted before, like BTAI, Elox, and swing trade like Amazon and Baba, because we always do short analysis update here on our Discord. So we were focusing on other trade and other play, and of course we hunted for the other stocks like Unity. It was really good hunt here on our breakout zone, and we hunted for other stocks let me just check again. We have DKNG. We're already hunting for this one, swing trade, and it's still open because we hunted for DKNG back 3 days ago, 28.86, when we did the chart analysis update. If you remember, guys, we did DKNG play. Let me just check DKNG. Yes, here back in the 10th of July when we hunted for this breakout, and we said the breakout is around the 26.77, profit taken around the 33.83 and the $40, and the price is still going toward the first profit taken or the second profit taken. That's why we're still holding it with almost 7% gain. However, and now today's video, as we said, we have to discuss Nikola because right now the trade is still open for the third time because we already took 2 profit, and now this is the third profit taking that we have to hunt and we discuss in today's video. So let me go back for Nikola, and we see the price is pumping and testing this resistance around the $2. So what's the game plan for today and tomorrow? We have a support confirmed around the $1.74 where we reverse. Let me go in a smaller picture. We see that the price reverse, accumulated, then pumped once again. And how much we did here? We did almost 20%. So Nikola is not ready to stop yet. We have fundamental, we have technical, we have everything work against the short sellers, and that's why the price cover up started around the $1.53 and the second cover up right now around the $2. So now we need to have a confirmation for a continuation. How are we gonna confirm that? Is holding this level, the $1.74. As long as we hold this level, we're gonna have a continuation at least for today before the power hour or around the power hour, the $2.34, where we're gonna have a rejection once again. So this is the profit taking, the near profit taking for Nikola before it hit with massive resistance and short seller will come once again. This is normal, guys. The price go up, have to go down. This is gravity, this is science, this is law of nature. Even for stock market, if the price go up, it hit with a wall, go down. That's why we have to be strategic, take profit. In this trade we took 3 profit, not 1, 3 profit to profit, and right now the trade is still open, as we said, around the average price around the $1.91, and we're still holding this one. We'll see if we have a sign of weakness, we're gonna close it even breaking even, or we have to close it around the $1.74 even with a little loss. We don't care because we already took profit on this trade. So this is the strategy. If you already took your profit on any stock that pumped really high, you don't worry if the price went on new or even breaking even. You don't feel FOMO because you already took your profit and you feel a bit relaxed. It's kind of mix you trick your mind that you're already in the clear, you're already safe, because it make it easier to hold some stocks if you already took profit. And if you don't want to take profit and you want to make this trade go, you do trailing stop. But as we said here, for Nikola trade, it's really tricky to do like trailing stop because we might get fake out down. So that's why I suggest to take profit, then re-entering once again. We're gonna do update for mini stocks for tomorrow, guys, because Friday would be crazy volatile. That's why we have to do power hour, especially on our Patreon and our Discord. Every time we do this update here, and we do power hour in our Discord and our Patreon, and you can see it here. Last time we did it last Friday in power hour. We're gonna do a link. We put the special link especially here for our hunters, where we discuss mini stocks and answer all the question. And of course we have hidden play like earning stocks, we have crypto play, many stocks that we have to discuss in power hour before the market close. So stay tuned for this update if you're already hunter with us. If you want to join, of course, the link in comment section below. There's a few spots on the second level on Patreon just open, so take your spot and see you there to hunt with me for exact price value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.